the palace. We talk about from 1929 to 1944 it was built. It took 15 years.
Yep.
The 47 rooms were built. It is the residential section,
Sure.
the front part.
Okay.
The central dome you see,
Yeah.
it is now the part of the hotel.
Oh wow.
Yes. We will see the museum section inside. Actually, the palace was built not for the luxury of Maharaja. It was built to give employment to local people.
Okay.
Because in desert here was nothing to do, anything for collecting money to the local people. So they were living from here
Okay.
and they were moving to other states of India. Then Maharaja Umesh Singh Ji said that yes, I will do for my public, and he took that decision to make a palace.
Wow.
So the palace was totally constructed by unemployed laborers of the local city, Jodhpur city, Marwar people. And they made it, they built it in 15 years. Maharaja at that time gave them 30 paisa. It is 30% part of 1 rupee at that time.
Wow.
Yes. So we can see here garden. It's a small garden, 4 times bigger is there at the back side.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
garden only guests of
Hello.
the hotel can go.
Hi kids. Hello. Hello. Hello.
बाद में देखेंगे से इधर हाँ यार भाई मेरे लिए देख के चलेंगे क्या हाल है
Look.
There in the center you can see a pole
Yep.
where they don't have flag now. Flag is not there, it means Maharaja is outside,
He's not in Jodhpur.
not in
He's
Jodhpur.
away.
If the flag is there waving,
Yep.
it means Maharaja in the palace.
Yeah. Same in England.
Same in English, yeah, same like that. So it is the entrance of the hotel. So His Highness, current Maharaja of Jodhpur,
Yes.
Maharaja Gat Singh Ji is here. And we talk about he became the king in the age of 4 only.
Yeah. 4 years old.
His father's picture is there, who lost his life in the plane crash. Now we will talk about his grandfather, the founder of the palace, Umesh Singh.
Okay.
Please come. So Umesh Singh Ji is here, the founder of the palace, and he was the grandfather of current Maharaja, Maharaja Gat Singh Ji. Umesh Singh Ji was the grandfather of him. So his another picture is there at the side.
Okay.
In Jodhpuri court. Suit. Because he was very popular because of his good work, Nehru, first Prime Minister of India, came here to meet him,
Yes.
and Indira Gandhi, the second one. So Nehru here, Indira Gandhi here, between both these personalities, Umesh Singh is there,
Yeah.
wearing uniform of Air Force. He was Air Vice Marshal, appointed by British Air Force. So they give him this post just for his honor, just for his respect. And even he got training. He was commercial pilot. Yeah. He had his own flying planes. Yes. After freedom, planes were occupied by Indian Air Force.
Okay. Okay.
Here Maharaja with Lily Lithgow, Lord Lily Lithgow. He was second last viceroy of India. Last was Mountbatten,
Yes.
and second last was Lily Lithgow.
Okay.
And here he is with all his important cabinet ministers
Yes.
in the center.
Okay.
Here Maharaja with wife. Both couple got 5 children. 4 sons, 1 daughter.
Okay.
Because it is tradition that the first son becomes king.
Yes.
His first son is here in the center, Hanwant Singh. And Hanwant Singh Ji's one son is the current king.
Okay.
So here Maharaja with his granddaughter. And here are some picture of good work done by Maharaja Umesh Singh Ji. This building built by Maharaja Umesh Singh Ji, but now it's a hospital running by government, situated in the city. And this one also built by Maharaja, but now it is building of High Court.
Okay.
So both are government building. It's a beautiful water dam situated in Jawai, Jawai, Jawai Dam. So Maharaja making dams for public.
Yeah, it's good.
It's an example of his good work. And they also provide facilities, medical facilities in rural areas like this. Then in this palace, one man from Poland was appointed for making beautiful paintings. His name was Stephen Norvin. His face is here. He lived here more than 13 years and made beautiful painting in the whole palace. One of his good painting is there. In front of Umaid Bhawan Palace, that's the painting of royal wedding.
Wow.
And there, in front of Mehrangarh Fort, painting of war. Both were painted by this man.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And some more painting I will show you in museum section, in the meeting room.
Sure.
Hotel from inside, we cannot see, but in the display you can see.
Okay.
The furniture and the interior are amazing. Later we will see the model. Model is here. The palace model is here. It total covers 27-acre area, including garden both sides. The palace, for making this palace in that time, they cost almost 9.5 million Indian rupees. 9.5 million Indian rupees almost in that time.
Yeah.
So here we will see, we come by this way. This hall is the residence of Maharaja.
Okay.
We enter by this way and we'll explore only this and we'll exit with same one. So it is the museum.
Because this part is the hotel here.
It is the entrance of the hotel.
Yeah.
So all this
That-
part is the hotel.
Oh wow.
Yes. 70%. The bigger one,
Yeah.
including Central Dome. Because it is hotel, many royal weddings every year happens here.
Okay.
Nick Jonas, Hollywood singer,
Yeah.
with Priyanka Chopra got married here in this palace. Yes. Making of palace, many beautiful photos. Aji Pradeep ji, नमस्ते जी, बस बढ़िया। मैं गेस्ट के साथ हूँ, तो बात करें आपसे। ओके 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 जी, मैं पैलेस में ही हूँ, अभी बाद में करता हूँ, है ना? ओके, sorry for that. And here it is the back side of the palace. In the photo we can see very beautifully decorated in lighting. It is Central Dome from inside.
Okay.
This is the entrance of the hotel. Very luxurious washroom here you can see of Maharaja suite.
Amazing.
It's first floor lounge. Both pictures handmade sketches over there. So interior is very magnificent in the hotel. They collect everything world famous. Even the furniture they collect from Maple of London, which was very popular in that time. Here is a life circle of Maharaja Ume Singh Ji, who born in 1903 in Jodhpur. And what he did time by time, here is written everything. Yes. Here is handmade sketches of furniture. Those furniture who collect from Maple of London. Only we can say sketch. To see real, we have to be the guest of the hotel. Yes. And here is Stephen Norvin with wife and daughters. Stephen Norvin, the painter,
Yeah.
making some paintings here. Beautiful.
Wow.
This one and that one now part of the hotel.
Okay.
Actually, the whole palace, which was built with this stone, for connecting this stone, they did not use cement. They just interlocked.
Okay. Yeah.
So stone over stone, and there is a big hole in the center, and then you fill it with stone. So it is connected very strongly. So So interlocking system they use for making this palace. They use cement only in floors and in ceiling.
Okay.
एक जगह खड़े हो चुके
Former queen, husband and wife. Both got 3 children, 2 daughters, 1 son. The current king is picture of his coronation. Childhood, young age, old age.
Okay.
Yes. And 2 sisters of Maharaja is here. Yes.
You went to Oxford? Okay.
Look that picture. There. Because British king was his classmate in Oxford.
Ah, okay.
Both were classmates.
Yeah.
So that's why both became good friends.
Okay.
Still today,
Good
there
friends.
are some good relations between Jodhpur and British royal family.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. Because he collected their education from Oxford. Now Maharaja's family is here. Maharaja, Maharani, 1 son, 1 daughter, and the former queen, mother of him.
Okay. Okay.
But now she is no more. She lost her life in 2018.
Ah, okay.
Yes. In 94 age.
Ah, wow. It's very old. Very old.
Very good, yeah.
Yeah.
These all are other activities of Maharaja. Maharaja had some political roles.
Charles.
Yeah.
King Charles. King Charles. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
These all are his activities, what they do in a whole year in Jodhpur.
Sure.
Here we can see his activities. The official game which they like is horse polo.
Yeah.
So Maharaja here
King Charles used to play a lot of polo.
Yeah.
He used to do a lot of polo. Yeah.
That's why they learn it, maybe.
Yeah.
So Maharaja here with his polo team,
Yeah.
they collect a lot of trophies from Manchester.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here Maharaja giving some good results. Maharaja joining some family program. Maharaja here with school children. The queen. Only colors with crystal glass. And these were gifted by British royal family.
Oh, really? Wow.
Silver lamps for horse carriage. Like in the picture you can see they place like this. Maharaja's coronation picture is here.
And he was 4 years old there.
When he was born and the coronation was happened in Mehrangarh Court.
Yeah.
These tools, that's a glass picture, and these tools carried by the men over their shoulder for removing negative energy.
Okay.
Maharaja created their own customized cup, plate and jug
Sure.
with gold.
Yeah.
You will see golden polish on every vessel.
That's beautiful.
Yes. These are Royal Crown Derby. Very beautiful design. And now here you will see what they like and drink. Here is the menu of 1936.
Okay. Yeah.
Small but very expensive. Yeah, these sorts. Even they had their own customized cigarette.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
See here. Here you will see. Over cigarette you will see the symbol as well.
Yeah. The Maharaja special cigarettes.
Yes, long. These for breaking nuts.
Cigarette holders,
Yes, cigarette holders.
pipes, cigarette
Little
boxes.
boxes. And here is
Cigar boxes, maybe?
no makeup box for ladies.
Makeup boxes.
Yeah. And the fine dining setup of Maharaja is here. They take candlelight dinner. Old musical instrument is there, gramophone. what they collect from big countries like Mexico. So they collect for the ladies from different countries. Here you will see some candle stands. And here you will see, these all are the stuff of Maharaja's writing desk.
Yep.
Of brass and copper, having ink pots, also paper cutters, feather pens, paper stand, paper holders. So everything object of his writing desk. Durability. So they collect only benefit class for the whole palace.
Okay.
Some of object we can see here like a small desk, chair, dressing table, and an almirah. The rest are there in the hotel.
Okay.
Here is the picture of our current Maharaja's wedding photo. They got married in 1973.
Okay. Okay.
Here is the royal emblem of Maharaja. His Rathod royal family. That's the picture of Jaswant Singh Ji II. His memorial was very first in 1895, was built in there. And it is his seat, GCSI. He was Grand Commander of Star of India by British Russia. And then behind, there is the painting of Umaid Singh, the founder of the palace. Is this sword, the bell, and the medals
Yeah.
are here,
Wow.
representing the legacy of Maharaja. Then here you will see a 3D picture. 3 different personality here you will see from left, right and center.
Oh wow.
I think Queen Victoria, King Edward and George V is there. Yeah, all 3 different personality.
Hello. Hello.
Nine. Chalo, आगे चलो. So yes, 4 blades of wooden.
Yeah.
And it's an old regulator of this fan.
Yeah.
Now we will see here, it is the meeting room. After court, whenever he do the meetings in the palace, here they come.
Okay.
So, throne of Maharaja in the center, he joined his important minister on sofas. And again, attraction in this oriental room, meeting room, is the painting, which were painted by the same main Polish painter, Stefan Norblin. All these paintings are conservated, still represented by Polish conservators. Here you will see Polish conservator with Maharaja. And these all paintings are regarding with the holy epic of Hinduism, Ramayana.
Okay.
Lord Rama is there breaking Shiv Dhanush, Shiv bow. Here Lord Rama and Devi Sita. Beautiful painting these all are. Ravan himself, the main villain of Ramayana. Ravan is there. Now in this last section, we will see vintage clocks, which were collected by Maharaja Umaid Singh Ji from worldwide. It was his hobby.
Okay.
So yes, here we can check around. It was of MJ Peck, Francis Company. Their office was there at Bombay.
Yeah.
Some clocks over there as well.
एक सेकंड दादा
see everything inside. Time, date, day, month, year,
Temperature.
wind direction,
Yeah.
temperature also.
Amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Pocket clocks are here. It is Swiss clock here. After every hour, different music play inside. These clocks in train engine design. Train engine design you will see here, and also big keys. For running all these clocks, they used to fill key
Okay.
once in a week like this.
Yeah.
Very beautiful clock, lotus clock without any number. These boxes to put inside the ink.
Ah, yes.
Yeah. Phantom 1 and Phantom 2, Cadillac, Morris Minor, Overland, Mercedes-Benz. Such cars we can see now.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes. Here is something about Jaipur Flying Club, JFC. Here you will see Maharaja Umesh Singh Ji getting ready to fly the plane. Yeah, he was pilot.
Fantastic.
Class hotel. The gallery. The guests who come here, they get warm welcome here.
Yeah.
On checking in.
Yeah, I'll have to stay there one day. That looks amazing.
Yeah, you must stay here.
Yeah. How much for one night, do you think?
Now actually the prices change according to season, tourism season.
Okay.
Because now it is off season.
Yeah, sure.
Peak season we'll see in December, January and February.
Yeah, okay.
So now the rates are almost like 66,000 Indian rupees.
Okay.
66,000.
Okay.
Otherwise in off season in May, June, that time only 40, 45,000.
Okay. So yeah, about 450 quid a night, something.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now we are going there to see vintage car collection.
Ah, yes.
Yes. Beautiful view of the palace from here.
Wow.
Manufactured in 1927, and then you will see the manufacturing in 1935. It is a covered Rolls Royce and it is open. All the cars which we are showing, all are in running condition.
Really? They all work?
Yes. Maharaja and the people are maintaining it.
Oh, fantastic.
So it is Packard and then Cadillac. Hello? मैं पहले से भी दिखाया था बस आगे कहीं करना ऑप्शन ले जाना और भी कुछ दिखाना है तो और नहीं जाने की हेट नहीं इसमें थोड़ा पहले फील ऑफ ब्लू सिटी बाकी तो पहले से लोकल क्या है जो है बाकी में आइटनरी में नहीं है मेरी बात अंदर अंदर सूरी दिया
हे रेल्वे बघ खाली.
चलो ठीक है वो ले लो भाई.
Nice. Convertible Morris Minor. That's cool.
सबसे पहले सो.
Wow. Overland.
चलो ठीक है.
Central jail of Jodhpur. Very secure.
So Manny's just brought me to this place and we're gonna sample some local Jodhpur delicacies. See what he comes up with.
So what is this called again?
Yes, it is mirchi bada. Local fast food recipe. Pure veg, absolutely.
Green chili.
It is made of all-purpose flour, fried in oil, and stuffed with potato masala, and then green chili in the center.
It's very good.
And it is called like kofta. The all-purpose flour is also part of it, but the masala is different.
Okay.
Yeah, in this one.
Very good.
तो मैप तो बोली बता तो लेफ्ट कर लेगा आपको लेगा basically but now it is totally government building.
Okay.
Also here you will see old building part.